Hi everyone, it's Side Dish Saturday. I have a very rare vegetable for you today. They're called fiddleheads and they come from Bangor, Maine. But you have to cook them properly or they can be dangerous. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. You want to start by washing the fiddleheads. I rinsed them really well in cold water, clean them up. I have some water boiling, and these can be dangerous if you eat them raw. They can be dangerous if you don't cook them properly. So, in order to cook these, you have to boil them for about 10 minutes. So I have water boiling here. I'll get them in there just like that. I have a wooden spoon. I can stir a little bit. And then I'm just going to wait a few seconds here just for the water to come back up to boil, and I'll start my timer. Here is some salt and some pepper. And then after we boil these, we're going to put them in a frying pan with some onions and garlic and olive oil, and we're going to saute them up. So while we're waiting for that to boil, I'll get started cutting this garlic. Looks like we're boiling well here. So I have a few minutes left. My garlic, I'm just going to crack it and maybe cut them up a little bit. I don't want them too small because when I fry them, I don't want them to burn. So this particular head here, I just kind of hit it once and then cut it. Our timer has beeped. And the fiddleheads are done. Now these are real rare. These only grow in April and only in Bangor, Maine. So they can also be very dangerous if you don't get the right ones, because these come from the fern plant and there are other ferns that have fiddleheads. So I would make sure you buy them from a reputable grocery store if you're going to buy them. Now, I've dumped off the hot water. I have a paper towel. I'll just put it on the paper towel and then pitch this in the sink. Just pat this dry. That way I don't have a lot of oil and water mixing together. They smell good. Supposedly they taste like broccoli or Brussels sprouts is what people compare them to. We'll find out. If you read the reviews online, people seem to like them and they say they taste good. Now, let's put some salt on our onions. Onions always get a lot of salt, and some pepper. Just like that. And then we'll grab our olive oil. Oil them up real good. I'm using olive oil, which is garlic mushroom today. I can take this pan off, put my frying pan on here, and I want to cook them for 3 to 7 minutes. Medium heat. Here's my onions. Pretty simple thing to cook. Move them around so they all get oiled. They are almost cooked. There we go, there's the timer. Turn off the fire. Looking really good. I have a lot more information about these at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com, or if you see where the subscribe button is down there, you should see the More page, and I have a whole page of information about these. It's very interesting. We'll see how they taste. I'm sure they're going to be hot. So I'll have to let it cool here a little bit. Tastes good. There you go. There's your side dish Saturday. Hey, if you want to see more, there's a bunch more side dishes.